Hey, this is Terratoots with a quick introduction to editing individual members of a population in Terragen 4. We'll start out with our forest from the previous population videos. In the last video, we learned how to control the large-scale placement of our population using density shaders. But what about small-scale placement? For example, let's bring the camera down closer to the forest. Once we frame our scene, we may find that some of the trees aren't quite in the right spot, aren't the right size, or maybe they're just trees we want to remove entirely. That's where population editing comes in. To start, click our population in the Objects panel. Then click the Editing tab and choose Start Editing. Now we can select individual members of the population as if they were normal 3D objects. For example, we can move this tree, rotate this tree, or scale this tree. We can also delete population members simply by selecting them and pushing the delete key. To see which instances have been changed, click the Highlight Modified Instances button and the Show Deleted Instances button. To undo any changes you've made to a population, use the Reset Modified and Restore Deleted buttons. When you're finished editing, click Stop Editing to confirm your changes to the population. Terragen will try to preserve your edits to the population even when repopulating, but I find that this tool is most useful when you have already settled on your large-scale population settings.